Disney just unveiled a real lightsaber, and Star Wars fans are in awe. What do you mean, a real lightsaber?
A real lightsaber. Dude, it's like you have the hilt, and then it...
Did you just say hilt on this show?
Yeah, it grows into a lightsaber.
Josh D'Amaro, Disney Parks and Experiences chairman, gave his presentation at this week's South by Southwest, and one moment in particular has excited Star Wars fans across the globe. Explaining to those in attendance that Disney Parks will be honing in on storytelling, D'Amaro unveiled what he billed as being a real lightsaber. I have the coolest job in the world, D'Amaro declared before I'm holding a real lightsaber.
Yeah. You want to see it?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, boy.
I do want to see it, but first I want to check out this Sonnet Insurance advertisement, if you don't mind.
Okay.
I'm really curious about it.
Look,
it's non-skippable, too.
Well,
completely online.
They finally solved my home and auto insurance needs.
Yeah. It's great timing.
By bundling home and auto insurance with Sonnet, a top-rated Canadian insurance company on Trustpilot.
We love Sonnet. You do. You do.
Take a moment, save a bundle. Visit sonnet.ca.
It's a true wow moment for our guests and for me. As you can tell, I love firing this thing up as much as I possibly can. No, they told me only twice.
Oh my God. This was a hard
Well, I feel like that sound came from somewhere else.
but it was absolutely
He doesn't.
perfect.
I don't know that he can actually fight
Sure,
with
if
that
it's
thing.
not the sound, then...
You feel like you're in the film. It is such an iconic moment, and we knew.
Yeah.
Give me one more if I don't have to watch. Only if I don't have to watch an ad.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God! Wow, that is
ever
wild.
lecture from
I
Mars.
can't even hit a retention replay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Here's
Okay, will you? Now you're talking.
Dream up things like this.
That's the whole
Look at
sound
that.
system in the place.
Okay, you're worried about the sound.
Hell
but
yeah, I'm
this
worried about it.
This is about the lightsaber.
This is a weird reflection there too. Look at that.
I think it's the
I
lens.
still cannot believe that this thing
Swing it, bro.
exists, but it does. Like I said, I have the coolest job in the world. I'm holding a real lightsaber right now. Now, this one is part of our Star Wars Galactic Star Cruiser experience at Walt Disney World. And we're lucky enough to have someone here who can tell us just how the heck they did this. I want you all to say hello to Leslie Evans.
Cool.
Leslie.
That's pretty convincing,
It's pretty cool. I mean,
They
it's
finally did it.
It's definitely the way up and the way down.
Yeah.
That's the key. Like the pace going up and coming down.
Yeah. And it looks convincing.
But I don't know.
Like the light
is it fair to call it a
reflecting off
real lightsaber? You have to slice something with it. If
It's
a
not
real,
going to cut a lemon or something.
but I think there's guys on YouTube that recreate ones that are actually slicing things.
Yeah, I know Hacksmith did one.
So,
But it was incredibly dangerous. And they had like a...
incredibly dangerous.
But the fact that they can do it in like this small little container here, that it looks very convincing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the look of it, yeah, it's sick.
So they
It's
finally
cool.
did it.
It's cool for
Finally.
sure.
Yeah.